I have this old smartphone that I'm not using. You might think it's completely broken and should just be recycled, but I'll show you how to repurpose its internal components to get a clear, free TV signal. I'll carefully remove the back cover and take out the battery to access the internal components. I need to locate the built-in antenna contacts on the motherboard. I'm using a marker to pinpoint the exact spots where I'll make my connections. I'm taking my soldering iron and applying a small amount of solder to these specific contact points. This step is crucial because it ensures a solid, reliable electrical connection for the wires we are about to attach, which will act as our new signal receivers. Next, I'm cutting a piece of blue wire. I use my pliers to strip the insulation off the end, exposing the copper inside. Then, I'll tin the exposed wire with a bit of solder. This prevents the wire from fraying and makes it much easier to solder securely to the phone circuit board. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll carefully solder the blue wire to the first contact point. Then I take a red wire, prepare it the exact same way, and solder it to the second contact point. These wires will carry the intercepted TV signals from the phone's internal antenna out to our television. To keep things neat, I'm drilling a small hole into the phone's original back cover. I'll thread the blue and red wires through this hole before snapping the cover back onto the phone. This protects the delicate soldered connections inside from breaking. I'm stripping the ends of our protruding wires. Now, I have a small wooden block here. I'm applying a generous amount of hot glue to attach the phone to this block. This will act as a sturdy base, allowing the phone to stand upright to catch the best possible signal. Here I have a standard RF splitter. I'm going to attach the bare ends of our red and blue wires to the output terminals of this splitter. The splitter acts as an adapter, combining the signals from our wires so they can travel down a regular TV cable. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'll hot glue the splitter to the wooden base to keep everything secure. Now it's time to prepare our coaxial cable. I'll strip the outer jacket, fold back the metal shielding, and expose the inner copper core. Then, I'll twist on a standard F connector. This end of the cable screws directly onto the input port of our RF splitter. I'll repeat the exact same cable preparation process on the other end of the coaxial cable. For this end, I'm attaching a right angle connector, which makes it much easier to plug into the tight space behind the television. The TV currently has no signal. Let's plug our homemade smartphone antenna into the back of the TV. Look at that. We instantly get a crystal clear picture. The old phone is successfully pulling in the broadcast signals. I can surf through various channels, and they all come in without any issues. This little device is acting as a powerful signal booster, bringing in all these channels. To prove there are no hidden tricks, I'll unplug the cable from the TV. As expected, the signal immediately drops out. When I plug it back in, the channels return perfectly. We've successfully repurposed a broken phone into a fantastic free TV antenna. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.